This is a video about how to clean your PS3 properly. Okay, so the first thing you'll need to do after you've gotten your vacuum is to put your PS3 on a flat surface or spot. I'm putting mine on the floor right now because it's fine. Okay, so you can just do that. After that, you'll need to get your vacuum or vacuum hose, whatever you'll be using. And I'm using a normal vacuum cleaner, so that would just work just fine. What you need to do is turn on your vacuum. Oh wait, what you'll need to do is turn on your PS3 and clean out these back vents right here. First thing you need to do. Now remember, do not get too close. Don't put this too close to the vents. It might damage your system. I don't know. I just put it about an inch away from the vents. It's the best way to do it. So okay, I'll just go ahead and turn it on now. Okay, so that's good for that spot. I just turned off the vacuum so you can hear me. And then what you'll need to do is vacuum next is these vents right here. I'm not sure if you can see those. There's little tiny vents down there. If you can see those, I don't think you can. Okay, and then there's little vents down here. Yeah, you can see those. Yeah, there's little vents down there in the bottom part. And then on the other side of your PS3, there is these vents, just like on the other side. So, okay. What you need to do is just go ahead and vacuum that out. So I'll do that right now. Turn it back on. Okay, so now you're pretty much set to go. The only thing you can do is just make it look a little better by getting a towel or paper towel or anything like that. Okay, so I'll be using just a basic hand towel. And so I'll just clean this off, get the fingerprints off of this system, make it look brand new. Okay, so that looks pretty good, yeah. Looks good. And then I'll just go ahead and clean off this part right here, the shiny part of where you can turn the system on and off. Okay, so that looks good. When you're done cleaning it, just hook your system back up and play it, and you're all ready to go. And that is how to clean your PS3 properly. Thanks for watching. Rate, comment, and subscribe.